In the name of God, voice of revolution. This is the voice of revolution. Revolution in Europe against monarchy. Revolution for democracy. Revolution to be free of monarchy. Revolution for a world without monarchy. Europe needs this revolution. God has ordered to revolution. Europe, revolt against monarchy.